This house, this is the warden's house. That's where he lives. We can take it. We can take a tour. You know.
Look, Evan. Look at this. Look at this.
What?
See sex fire. That's his sex couch. See sex desk. That's his sex right there. You can see a picture of her. That's his sex.
What about these? What about these chairs?
That's his sex chair.
What about this lamp?
That's his sex lamp.
Sticks it up his butt.
Betcha.
What about this?
Yeah, so
Those-
pretty
those
much
are just
don't
his
touch
flowers.
anything in the warden's house.
Yeah, he fucks it all. He fucks on it and he fucks it both. All right, come on, guys. I've got more shit to show you. All right, your tour guide's leaving you. Come on this way.
Oh, yeah.
Feed
Oh, Joe!
doggies.
How do you know
This
this?
is Joe!
Oh, that's not Joe.
You'd see Joe any fucking second.
It's not Joe.
The zombies get close. There's Joel.
Out
There's
comes Joe.
That's not. How do you? That's not Joe.
He's a hungry little Joe.
Joe didn't exist back then.
Can we
Okay.
get closer?
This is the past.
Come on, Joe, keep eating. Mmm, yummy, huh, Joe? Real fresh and bloody. And rotten. Oh, another one coming in.
There he goes.
There he is, that's it.
Good boy.
And let's eat that ass. Oh, fuck. Whoa!
I'm gonna slice him up!
Ah! I got you, Evan. I got you.
Thanks, Brian.
A problem. Link me in the description. Buy my merch.
Oh, the power's right here. I totally turned it on.
Oh, this is what the power is. You press F at this.
Yeah, I got a sniper rifle from the box. Do you want to join my clan?
Oh yeah, let me join your clan. You got this sniper? You want to hold on?
Yeah.
I'm gonna join your clan. Go away, you can't join our clan.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go, I got a sniper. I'm in your clan now.
Yeah.
I just awesome.
This is not a sniper rifle, by the way. This is. I thought this was a sniper rifle.
It's a semi-auto sniper.
Wait, we got the same one?
Yeah, we got the same
Oh, we're the
sniper.
same clan.
Yeah, same. That's it.
We're in the big boy clan.
The Bing Boy clan.
I'll be your big boy.
All right, boys.
I'll be all
Save a
big
zombie
boy.
or not. All right, let's go. Come up here. All right.
He pooped the key.
All right, poop the key. No, lead the way.
Watch out. People reach out with arms and try to
Oh,
touch
this
your
is like a
genitals.
this is like a haunted house.
It's a haunted house, but they try and grab your balls.
I don't want a hand job.
Right here's a part for the shield.
Man, you're really smart.
This guy's insane. He's figuring it out on the fly.
Okay, come on here.
The
Come on here.
genius.
You know, he's got some nice sofas. This nice cozy fireplace.
Ooh, a sex fire.
Cool.
He's got a weird
He's got a weird
trap door to the showers, but
chute that leads straight to the showers.
Oh fuck, I'm trapped though. Oh fucking Brutus has my dick. Oh fuck me. Oh my fuck. Brutus on my dick. Oh, I'm gonna lose my stamina.
Now you're good.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
Who got the sword thing?
oh, yeah, use your motherfucking cues, bitch.
Someone got Q.
here, yeah, get him.
I think the dog is fed. Oh, I remember this thing. You want to take the gondola?
Oh yeah, I remember dying here several times.
Yeah.
Oh look, he's stuck.
Taking the gondola.
Okay.
Look at that body.
I know.
Same.
What? What the fuck is that? What is he saying?
Nonsense. That's what he's saying.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Run with Tyler.
Wouldn't follow me,
Oh
Nogla.
fuck! Have fun, fucker! Running like a fucking bitch! I got to get my tea on fire. I got to get
You
it on.
revive him, Evan?
What? No,
Fuck,
because
you're
he's on the other side of that fucking thing.
Oh, he's
You
on the
can
other
slide
side.
under it. You can slide under it. Don't be no pussy.
You better
Just
be,
slide
not be
under it.
lying! Fuck!
You can't
He was
slide
lying.
under it.
You dick!
I was worth a shot.
You fuck!
Complicated.
Well, look at that. Wow, look at that shit. You the one fucking use it. Here we are for the third time. This time I won't fucking follow him. No, he should let me.
You can follow me next time.
Ah, me too! Me too!
God damn it, there's a lot of fucking shit going on right here. Wow, this is crazy. Man, last time I come into Crazy Man's sex house,
Oh, there's zombies, guys.
Oh, they're starting already.
Hey, no shit, they're zombies.
knife him on the first round.
Hey, Nogla, I noticed you upgraded your mic.
Yeah, I got a new one.
Jesus.
What year?
Yeah, 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 new
What
one.
year is it, boy?
Yeah, I got a new one. Bought it on eBay.
It's got the same one.
I've been
Delirious
teleported
uses.
back 4 years, dear God.
I actually bought Delirious' old mic on eBay for $1,000.
Oh, nice.
It's signed by Delirious.
Can you confirm that?
Yeah, someone can confirm it. The power of Photoshop.
Well, who did this fire?
What
What
did
the
we do?
fuck?
Why
Who
is there
did
fire?
this?
I don't know.
That was definitely Nogla.
That sounds guilty as fuck. Who did this? I don't know.
I don't know.
I did it. I fucking did it, man.
I'm onto your shit.
Got fucking mollywopped, Brit.
So famous. Oh.
Oh no, oh we're fucked! Oh we're fucked! The instant kill's gone! The instant kill's gone!
One more. Nogla, one more time. No idea.
Instant kill's gone!
Well,
Holy shit!
Oh! Oh, jizz monster!
What?
That was green jizz, wasn't it? Your jizz isn't green?
you get the special edition where it coose with Jizz Monsters. Did I not get this?
Yeah.
Dead yet? He's
we
dead
go.
now.
Should we open this door? Should we open this door?
Holy
Yeah, open the door!
I got it.
Hey, how do you
Open the door! I got a hammer, it's coming in!
Staff, die!
Bitch, get fuck out of here! Fuck out of here, motherfucker! Fuck
Holy
out of
shit.
here!
He's done. I'm gonna use my hammer. Oh my god!
Thank you.
Someone raise Craig!
Thank you.
I don't know what you want.
Oh, thanks.
It's a mushroom!
Holy shit.
Oh my lord, it is one of
What
my
the fuck, Nogla? What did you grow?
No.
What's in that shit?
This is for the children. Nogla gave us mushrooms too.
Is that thing
I don't
high
know
in
what
vitamin
the
C
fuck.
too?
That is not vitamin C.
Ah, shit, the miss! Fuck, it's
Oh,
everywhere!
no, guys!
Oh, fucking hell! Pick me up! Hey, guys, do you want to go deeper into my mushroom drug?
Yes, let's go to the mushroom.
That statement could have gone
I don't
anywhere.
ever want to hear you say the word mushroom and deeper in the same sentence again.
Oh,
Do you want to go deeper? I was go.
what? No, I'm not talking about my penis.
Oh, good. Okay.
I'm really not. I do not want to go deeper into your penis, Nogla.
Did they have toilets back then?
Nah, they just shot in their hand, Evan.
There was no sewage system, so where did they shit?
Shot in their hand, and then they edit. We call recycling.
They edit.
Medieval
They
recycling.
edit videos.
They edit.
They edit.
Yeah, editing.
What?
They're editing.
They edit.
Edit.
They what? I actually don't know what you're saying.
Ed, Ed, and Eddie's a good show. I agree. Any other comments, Nogla, you'd like to make?
Fuck off.
Fuck off.
No, seriously though, where did they poo back in the day?
They shot in their hand, and they edit.
Oh, they
Edit,
ate
edit.
it. Oh, I was wondering what you were saying.
They shot in their
They
hand.
shot in their hand and edited.
Over here, over there, over there.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Hey man, he's had a lot of shrooms today, so
Yeah, fuck it. Ain't easy growing shrooms for children.
die.
Oh, I got a bitch cock.
Come on,
What?
You got.
you got a bitch
Pretend I
cock.
didn't hear that. But
Oh,
You
no,
got a
it's
bitch cock.
It's a hitchcock, not a bitch cock.
Oh, a hitchcock. Okay.
Oh, that's not as good though. Where are you? Oh shit!
Over here.
a
Ah!
lot of damage.
Oh,
Please pick
all
me
right.
up.
Oh my god, this is
Oh
bad.
no! Oh no! The fucking! Oh,
I'm
my!
dead.
The shit out of this ugly bitch! Oh, you fucking creepy motherfucker!
Oh no!
It just died! There's a hammer right there! What is all of you?
I'm coming.
Oh, Evan's getting
Please.
dead! Evan's not
Please.
looking too good!
Get Evan, then me.
Help!
Out of here!
Oh, there's a big guy behind you, Tyler.
How are you guys still alive?
I may or may not have called the champion.
No.
Oh my God, no!
There's nice sliding there.
You deserve that.
Fuck! Oh, Tiger's writing me and everything. Wow, what a day! Fuck, man, this is a bitch.
TV and strategically have them walk in.
And just leaving him go. And then you and I
Ooh,
can go
ooh,
do
ooh.
whatever. Ooh, what?
Ooh, who are we talking about? I go. Me go.
A Belgian foreign exchange friend of mine from high school.
Oh, is he retarded?
I like the excitement in your voice as well.
Ooh, is he retarded?
No, 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 no.
I got you.
Oh, no, no.
Man, my gun sounded really weird there.
Oh, no.
Oh, take that thing.
What ding?
Take that thing.
What ding?
Someone fucking took it. No, they didn't.
What are you saying?
Oh, fuck me.
What are you even talking about?
I can shoot it now.
What game are you playing?
Oh my damn.
What are you talking about? The
Damn,
shield?
I can shoot the hammer. Damn.
Up.
Oh, it's gone now. Fuck me. Oh, fuck me. Come in the corner. Fuck my ass. Fuck my ass. I'm down. Fucking down.
Guys, you got fucked in the ass.
I don't want to go down where he was.
It wasn't that bad.
Nogla's review of anal sex. It wasn't that bad.
Oh, fuck me.
Hey, Nogla.
Hi.
Oh,
Down? Oh, you're there, right there. Yo, bud, come crawling over.
What are you doing?
Oh, dear.
Nogla, why are you?
What are you doing?
Why
How
are
you
you
doing,
crouched?
man?
Why are you crouched?
What do you mean? No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Come over to you.
You're like a turtle.
Come over.
What are you
Come over
doing?
right now. Fuck me sideways and call me fucking cunt bag.
Fucking cunt bag.
Future Googling man, you there?
I have it. I have the thing up. I have it on my phone. I
Okay,
just
then
can't.
fucking read it.
I'm in the middle of the road.
There's nothing happening. Look at your phone.
We're about to die.
You're not about
Gonna
to die.
die. We're gonna die. We gotta leave a zombie.
All you have to do is get a train going and then read your phone while you're training. It's like,
Hey, who do I look like? You're
It's not
asking
difficult.
fucking Nogla.
it's not difficult. You just wait until they're not spawning anymore.
I
Don't
tried to
kill
buy
any.
fucking cats off a Nigerian.
This is true. This is very true.
Alright, you're asking
area.
Nogla. Never gave me the fucking cats either. Alright, that's the end of this fucking video.